unrivaled performance and capability, the Ion Alpha series starts with a powerful and highly efficient power head. Available in a standard Alpha option with a steel bit, or the Alpha Plus in ultra-light composite. They all feature multi-edge, aggressively tuned turbo blades. It's the tip of the spear, and what makes them so fast and efficient. 8-inch augers cut up to 2,000 inches of ice on a single battery, with a blazing average speed of 3.4 inches per second, a speed that makes drilling holes seem effortless. 10-inch augers will do up to 1,200 inches of ice on a single battery and cut through ice at 2.2 inches per second. Top to bottom, the Alpha boasts unrivaled power and performance, redefining the expectations of what an ice auger should be. It's the Alpha for a reason.